Hi guys, 11:08 PM na, iwaw feng shui na. Brethren, family and friends, pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyong pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyong pong feng shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing, and date selection consultant. So, kumusta po kayo? Wow, almost thank God it's Friday na. But again, tomorrow is a Thursday. Or if you're watching this on a Thursday, ito po yung mga tips, ito po yung mga sharing that we're gonna do to classify kung ano po ang December 19 Thursday. Siyempre po naman, yung advanced information for us to tailor fit what we should be doing, expectation, and to get what we want. Okay, BFF tomorrow is called the Fire Snake Enters the Initiate Officer Day. Okay. Let's see. Ano mo pwedeng gawin dyan, Kuya Norman? Initiate Day. Okay, let's see. Okay, December 19, BFF. Suitable for seeking blessings, making a donation, going to sea, discussion, meeting friends, house cleaning, buying assets, pursuing studies, and fermentation. Avoid traveling, groundbreaking, trading, and haircut, not good for tomorrow. How about the animal signs? Rat is average. Goat is very good. Tiger and rabbit, not so good. Dragon is average. Snake is very good. Horse is average. Goat, not so good. Monkey and rooster, very good. Dog, average. And pig, not so good. So, yan po. Okay. Now, tomorrow, just in case you want to 10x the outcome that you want, we do the daily achievement. Oh naman, let's do it. Oh, starting now until 10:59 PM the next day. Ayan, let's see. Para po ma-reinforce natin po yung outcome. Ano po, BFF, no? Let's go for it. Okay. To create opportunities, talikod sa southeast. If you want to improve your health or recovery from health, talikod ka naman sa south. Heart-to-heart talk and anything to do with money or finances, talikod ka sa southwest. The game changer into 10x you being beautiful and handsome, talikod ka naman sa north. Ayan, BFF. So, there you have it. So, game changer is backing to north. Ayan, BFF, ha. Of course, there's not only is it the game changer, but also the ability to 10x if you're a content maker or blogger or, you know, you're selling something, your products and services. Talikod ka sa north. And then, let us check. Meron po bang Green Dragon, Jade Maiden, and Flying Bird fall into cave on a December 19? Okay, let's see. Okay, there is from 5 PM to 6:59 AM, backing sa west. It's called the Flying Bird fall into cave. Talikod sa west, ha? And then, Jade Maiden watching the door. That's from 11 AM to 12:59 PM. Talikod sa north. Green Dragon returns, the number 1 most auspicious structure in Chimen. Same time, talikod sa south. And Flying Bird fall into cave, the second most auspicious structure in Chimen, wherein blessing comes to you. Same time, talikod naman sa west. So, excuse me. So, BFF, jump pack yung lunchtime mo, no po. So, pwede ko bang gawin lahat, Kuya Norman? Yes. So, you're seated, ikot-ikot lang po, and then use the compass, and of course the awareness what you're using. Flying Bird ba siya, Jade Maiden ba siya, or the Green Dragon return. So, ang sarap niyan. So, lunchtime, kain mabilis, and of course, drink water, a lot of water, and then you do the backing po. Lunchtime, 11 AM to 12:59 PM. Talikod po sa mga nabanggit ko. And, of course, the most important discount from 64 to 1. Once mo lang gamitin, hindi na po kailangan every Green Dragon or Flying Bird magsi 64 to 1 ka. Once mo lang gagawin yon, and then you, of course, you let go of the past, you open up for opportunities, you give thanks, you ask for what you want, or you visualize what you want, and you give it back to society. Lalo na po, marami po namamas ko. Yeah. So, give to society, ha. Hi, Kuyang Melvin. Brother Junior Warden-elect. Kuyang Melvin, magandang gabi sa iyo. Kumusta? Yes. Good for you. And, kailan pa tayo magkikita ulit? Oh, tatagalan na ba? Next January na? Anyway. So, yung po BFF, of course, let us continuously pray for each other. Of course, we see people in the social media happy, but we really don't know what's inside there. No? So, we continuously pray for each other. Baka po may pinagdadaanan, and our simple prayer, our simple thought of caring or prayers po, yes, it will help. So again, BFF, let us continuously pray for each other. Let us pray for our leaders. Let us pray for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all with a grateful heart. Maraming pong salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless, good night, and see you again tomorrow. Happy Thursday, BFF. Thank you.